Hey there, shoppers and learners. Have you ever felt nervous or unsure while shopping in any store? Do you hesitate to ask questions, check prices, or describe what you are looking for? Well, not anymore. In today's video, we are going to unlock some super useful English vocabulary and phrases related to shopping. So, the next time you are out buying groceries, clothes, or gifts, you can speak with ease and confidence. From asking where the trial room is to understanding buy one get one free, I'll walk you through some real life situations and phrases that will turn your shopping trips into some smooth and happy experiences. So grab your mental shopping cart and let's fill it with fun words and helpful expressions. Let's get started. So imagine yourself in a situation where you have just gone to a mall or a shop and you want to check for the price of the item, but maybe it's not there, it's not mentioned on the tag. So you can simply ask, how much is this? What's the price? How much is this? Another situation may be that you have just liked a t-shirt or a dress, but maybe the color is not right for you or you want it in a different size. So you may simply ask, do you have this in a different size or color? You may need to use it when the available colors or sizes are not in front of you and you have to take the help of the store member. If you want to try something out in a trial room, you can simply say, can I try this on? Maybe it's a fashion jewelry or an ornament or a cloth that you just want to try it on. So you can simply say, can I try this on? Now I know that the malls are huge, right? And you may not be knowing that where the changing rooms are. So you want to go and try the dress out but you are unaware of the location of the changing rooms. So you can simply ask, where's the fitting room? Or where's the changing room? Where can I go and try it out? Now, who doesn't like some discounts? We all wait for it, right? So whenever there's a situation that we have gone somewhere to some mall or shop and we want to know that the item is available on some sale or discounts, so we may just ask, is this on sale? Or do you offer a discount? Or do you have any promotional discounts today? Now, many a times it happens that we are surfing something casually, we are just doing window shopping, browsing something, and the store member comes to us and insists on buying something. So in that case, we can just politely let the store associate know that we are just casually browsing. We're not here to buy something, but we're just casually browsing. Or I'm just browsing, thank you. I'll let you know after some time if I want to buy. Or I'm just looking, thank you. I'll let you know if I need any help. Now, in case you want some assistance in locating an item that you are looking out for, so you can just let the associate know, can you help me with this? Can you help me to find this? I'm looking for this particular item. Instead of tirelessly searching for something, try asking for some support immediately. And the people are there to help you locate something. Now, in order to find out what's the mode of payment, whether it's credit card or cash or UPI, anything that you want to know, you may simply ask, can I pay with a credit card? Or can I GPay you? Or can I use the cash? So whatever methods are available with you or are suitable with you or feasible for you, you can simply ask the store associate for that. Now, when we buy something for us, there are high chances that we may need to return the dress or any other item that we are buying. So we can ask, what's your return policy? Or do you accept returns or exchanges? That's actually a very important thing to find out. Now, in case you have made up your mind that you are going to buy it, be it anything, you may simply say, I'll take it or I'll buy it. made the purchase, but you haven't got the receipt for it from the associate. So you can gently ask, "Can I get a receipt, please?" Because that's the proof of your payment. May I get the receipt? Now just imagine yourself in a situation where you may have liked something, a specific t-shirt or a dress, but it's not available in the desired size or color. So you can gently ask the associate, "Is this item available online? Can I get it online? Can I buy it online? Is it available online?" Now there are situations when we like something, have made up our mind buying something, but at the end we just go through the price tag and it's too expensive to buy. So we can just say it's too expensive, or I'm just looking for something cheaper. Is there a variant available, or is there a cheaper option available? Is it available in this particular price range? You can just give your price range to the associate. And obviously there are always affordable options available. So just make sure that you are asking the right questions to the associate. Now this you might be using when you are shopping for some electronic item, and we are always looking for guarantee. In order to check out if the product has a particular guarantee or warranty on it, you can simply ask, "Is there a warranty on this?" Or "Is it covered by a guarantee?" Or "How much is the guarantee for it? How much is the warranty for it?" And there you go. Now you are ready to shop smart and speak smart. Whether you are bargaining at a street market or browsing at a fancy mall, these words will help you communicate clearly, confidently, and happily. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the Vocab Hub. And tell me in the comment section what kind of shopper you are: an impulsive one, a budget-friendly one, or window shopping pro. Your support helps this channel grow and brings more lessons like this right to you. Until next time, happy shopping and happy learning. See you next.